Nowadays, AI is not so changed. What if it will learn like human? Yeah, it can. Today, AI can learn from people even with more powerful, faster, and remember longer than humans. It can calculate and solve solutions by itself. It can learn many different issues and apply them to different fields. Type Calling, Siri, Alexa, virtual assistants. In 2017, a robot named AlphaGirl Zero learned to play a much harder game called Go by 5 million games against itself for a few days using an extremely fast computer. AlphaGo Zero defeated world champions, both humans and robots, better than humans, and it even learned to play by itself without going to school or help from any scientist.
Hello, I'm Jung, and I'm from Negative Team. I will talk about why AI is not smarter than human. Everything you use right now, such as your phone, is not available, and all of that is created by humans to serve the need. And absolutely, at artificial intelligence is the same. AI technology is a period to serve to support human. According to Oxford University, machines will translate better than human in the next 5 years and write better than essay than human 2 years later. Still, some tasks are still not machine. For example, police are not the ones who must consider the multitude of factors when acting. From the present are vulnerable people to consideration to judgment of the feelings of the others. This is something AI can't not do. AI can't not completely outperform human. Thank you.
There are many ways AI to impact our everyday life. Firstly, AI makes it easier for users to locate and communicate with friends and business associates. Instagram uses AI to target advertising and fight cyberbullying and delete offensive comments. Secondly, AI help you every day through digital assistants such as Apple Siri, Google Now, and Microsoft Cortana that help users perform various tasks from searching for something on the web to sending command to another app. Thirdly, AI improve your experience at online and service. Amazon and other online retailers use AI to gather information about your reference and buying habits. Then they personalize your shopping experience by suggesting new products tailored to your habit. Finally, AI helps with web searches when you beginning typing a search term and Google Maps recommendation for you to choose from. That AI in action. AI make our life more efficient every day. AI power many program services.
Artificial intelligence is created by humans to serve their needs. Human program a database operating system can synthesize data and support, but it doesn't mean it can be smarter than humans. Many say artificial intelligence has more thought than humans, but that ability is made by humans to integrate a stored data. Without humans creating a database, how could artificial intelligence remember it? Such as smartphone. It can save lots of pictures, memories, and can look up necessary problems. But if humans didn't establish and fabricate How can we do that? Nowadays, many restaurants and hotels use robots to serve customers. The use of robots as waiters in restaurants is on an increasing trend in the service industry. Restaurant owners have begun to look up towards robots to aid in serving the customer due to shortage of waiters.
Hello, I'm Hoàng Trung Tông from Thunderbolt2. Going with current records, AI is already becoming better than humans. Example, AI becomes exponentially better in understanding in the world. In 2017, a computer beats the best Go player in the world, 10 years earlier than expected. In the US, with IBM's Watson, you can get legal advice within seconds. With 90% accuracy compared with 17% accuracy when done by humans. Watson already helps nurse diagnosing cancer, which is 4 times more accurate than human nurse. Facebook now has a pattern recognition software that can recognize face better than humans. So I really believe AI will become more smarter than humans.
Artificial intelligence cannot yet do things that human can do. Sure, machine can be faster and make fewer errors than humans, but if you're trying to train a machine to do something, you better make sure you could teach a human to do it first. Even if the human would be painfully slow, you also need to make sure that the machine can actually use all of the information that human would need to solve the problem. BuzzFeed writer Katie Notopoulos was able to crack Facebook's new algorithm that and clean up her friends the other week. She successfully matched a pattern in a way that Facebook algorithm couldn't fathom, as she explains. The Facebook machine doesn't really know what it's doing. The best it can do is just try and match pattern that is being told look like friendship. This algorithm doesn't understand friendship.
The human mind is not the limit of the possible. We were born into the uttermost beginning of things, draw of mind. Humankind was smart enough to create children for itself, but not smart enough to solve them. We are already in an era where artificial intelligence and machine learning are dominating in areas where human intelligence is quite narrow. We can also say that the future belongs to even advanced systems that will be capable of solving complex problems in diverse fields. They will be able to handle extreme amount of data which no human would live long enough to be able to read.
The imagination of human is never limited. That's why the reason of AI was up here. We create the AI to support and do anything we cannot do it. It can be our teammates, our friends. It cannot be smarter than us. Have you ever thought about someday it can control us, do everything with us like we are doing with the animals right now? Like we work for them, serve them, and do the research experiments for them. Human is the highly evolved brain creator, and I think you don't want something can be smarter than us. We are grow up, but day by day, so that AI is not smarter than the human. Thank you.
Half for the own, half for the children, half for the human, and pray for the world.
We gonna lose, aren't we? Rise up and fight, global citizen.
We are here to make a difference. Let's give them more attention.
By isolate with the other guys. Don't make the number of deaths get behind. Reading the news, be carefully. Fake news can make you dead easily.
Protect yourself from anyone else. Wash your hand every time you make home.
Hey, you remember the advice. Listen to the doctor who's saving our life.
This is the time we need to fight, like kid our COVID-19 and say goodbye.